This is Project Kalahari, an E.C.D custom Defender 90, finished to our client's exact specification. Project Kalahari is painted in full gloss matte silver with bronze and silver accents. Kalahari sits on bronze 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a 4-point front roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, 2 LED slimline spot lamps up front and 2 at the rear. Inside, the Kalahari features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with classic white gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in a double vertical diamond, Garrett Angora and shale leather stitched together in new grey. Kalahari is powered by a GM LT1 engine, 450 horsepower, with 8-speed automatic transmission. This D90 also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB charging ports throughout.